Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Corsair RM850e fully modular low-noise ATX power supply, a powerhouse unit designed to elevate your PC build to the next level. Let's get straight into it. First off, let's talk about its modularity. The RM850e comes fully modular, meaning you only need to connect the cables your system actually requires, making cable management a breeze. This not only enhances the aesthetics of your build but also improves airflow, contributing to better overall system performance. One standout feature is its dual 8-pin EPS12V connectors. This provides wide compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards, ensuring you can power even the most demanding setups without a hitch. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a content creator, this power supply has got you covered. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: noise. With a 120mm rifle bearing fan and a specially calculated fan curve, the RM850e keeps fan noise to a minimum, even under full load. Say goodbye to annoying whirring sounds interrupting your gaming or work sessions. Reliability is key when it comes to power supplies, and the RM850e doesn't disappoint. Equipped with 105° C-rated capacitors, it delivers steady and dependable power, ensuring your system runs smoothly day in and day out. And let's not forget about modern standby compatibility. Experience lightning-fast wake-from-sleep times and improved low-load efficiency, allowing you to get back to your tasks without any delay. In conclusion, the Corsair RM850e is a top-tier power supply that ticks all the boxes. From its fully modular design to its low-noise operation and rock-solid reliability, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to build or upgrade their PC. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with this one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.